In the heart of Yelagiri lies Jalagampari waterfalls. With tails wiggling and eyes bright, these guardians welcomed us as if to say, "You belong here." And so the journey begins. A family bounded not by destination but by discovery. As the young explorer reads around the names of unseen birds, the forest whispers, the air dances with life. The trail softens and a stream greets us, cool, playful and patient. We cross together, with laughter echoing between the rocks and roots. Beyond the bend, the mountains burst into bloom, a golden ocean of flowers stretching towards the sky. Here beauty does not ask to be found, it simply is. The path grows deeper. Stones and petals share the same ground. Each breath becomes a conversation between human will and mountain's grace. The forest, ever watchful, teaches us how small and strong we truly are. And then, at last, Jalagampari falls, a river turned to music, a curtain of light and water, cleansing every thought. We dance not in celebration, but in surrender. The climb back is slow, through shaded trails and secret streams. The forest narrows, then opens again, revealing plantation, celebrating Deepavali in yellow and green. And as we return towards Yelagiri, the hill glows with light and colors. We realize the festival was never outside us. The real light was what the forest left within us.